while the Father, Son, and Holy Spirit are glorified. Let the powers of heaven sing praises with one voice. Let the faithful assemble with joyful hearts, and let all creation rejoice before the Lord. Sing, O heavens and earth, proclaim the glory of God. For He alone is holy,